Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about change of base of a logarithm, and this is supposed to be one of the laws of logarithm. Alright, so the law says that if we have the log of a number n to a base b, it will be equal to the log of n to another base a all over the log of b to another base a. So the whole concept behind this law is that, for example, if you have the log of a number, let's say 25.2 to a base, let's say 5, right? If we have this log, we can calculate the log of this same number 25.2 to another base, let's say 7. Right now, for better understanding, let us look at how this law came to be. Alright, so if we say we have log of n base a to be equal to m, and the log of, let's say, the log of n base b to be equal to n. Alright, from one of the laws of logarithm, we can see that a is equal to, or let's say, so n will be equal to a to the power of m, and n will also be equal to b to the power of n. Therefore, a to the power of m will be equal to b to the power of n. So next step is to take the log base a of both sides. So we're going to have log base a of a to the power of m equals to the log of a to the power of n is a. Alright, so from one of the laws of logarithm, this is going to be m log a base a equals to n log b base a. The power becomes the coefficient, and also log a base a is 1 from one of the laws of logarithm. So m will be equal to n log b base a. Making n the subject of the formula, n will be equal to m over log b base a. Alright, so let me clear out this part. So let me rewrite it first. N equals m over log b base a. So for n, we have what? Log n base b. Then m is what? Log n base a all over log b base a. And that is how we arrived at our formula for change of base. Right, the log of the number to a different base over the log of the base to a different base. Now, when I started this video, I said something. I made mention of the fact that this law, the whole concept behind the law is that when we have the log of a number, alright, so let me clear this part before I move on. When we have the log of a number, say 25.2 base 5, I think this was the example I gave earlier, we can calculate the log of that same number to another base, let's say base 7. Alright, so that's the whole concept behind change of base. So log 25.2 base 5 is 2.0049. Alright, so with this information, we can calculate log 25.2 base 7. Okay, so log 25.2 base 7 is going to be following this pattern, the law. It will be the log of the number to another base, in this case now is base 5, over the log of the base, which is what 7, to the same base 5. Alright, following this law. So that's just the law of change of base, or change of base of a logarithm. So this will be 2.0049, and log 7 base 5 is 1.2090. And our answer, when we divide it, we're going to get 1.6583. Alright, so this is just to prove how the law works. Alright, so if you type in log 25.2 base 7 in your calculator, you should get this answer. We are asked to say evaluate log of let's say 243 base 3. Okay, now using change of base, we can say that log 243 base 3 is equal to the log of 243 to another base, let's say base 10, over the log of the base, which is 3, to base 10. Now let's take note of something. We can use any base. But the base in the numerator must be the same base in the denominator. Alright, and I think it is best we use base 10, because when we press this value on our calculator, it should give us in base 10. Alright, so to evaluate this without using calculator, we write 243 as 3 raised to power 5. So we can write this as the log of 3 raised to power 5 is 10, all over the log of 3 is 10. Now from one of the laws of logarithm, we can bring down 5 as a coefficient. So we're going to have 5 log 3 is 10, all over log 3 is 10. So 5 cancels, and log 3 base 10 cancels out, and our final answer is 5. So if you press this on your calculator, log 243 base 3, you should get 5. So that is it, and that is how change of base works. I hope this video was explanatory. Please feel free to drop your comments, your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.